现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month, the phrase we're teaching you is 来不及, which means, oh no, not gonna make it.
敷唔擦，
敷唔擦，比如说，哎呀，怎么突然间下起雨来啊？
对啊，收衣服都来不及了。
对，完全浪费了我洗衣服是2-3个小时，这样子重新又要湿掉了哦。Sometimes, you hang the clothes out after your laundry and then it starts pouring rain, right? You don't have enough time to, get your clothes back in. Let's hear a conversation like that.
老姨嘞，敷唔擦数samÄ。
高四大就好嘅啊。
好啦，每张得按用嘞。
Okay, let's break it down one by one. Again, because of the rain, we've got to redo our laundry, right? 下雨了，来不及收衣服了。It's raining. I didn't have enough time to get my clothes back in.
老姨嘞，
落雨嘞，
敷唔擦數samÄ。
敷唔擦數衫嘞，數衫就是收衣服啊，
对，
这么简单2个字哦。數衫 that means to grab your clothes to take back in before it starts pouring, right? Okay.
老姨嘞，敷唔擦數衫嘞。
And then 再洗一次就好啦。Okay, just do your laundry one more time.
高四100就好了呀。
高四100出后嘞啊，洗就是
洗。
Okay, that means to wash again. 好吧，也只能这样子了。Yeah, I guess that's all I can do.
好啦，
好啦，
每张得按用嘞。
每张得按用嘞。好啦就好吧，right？然后也只能这样啦，就that's all I can do, right？
每张得按用嘞。
每张得按用嘞 ，OK？每张得就是也只能。
对，每张得也只能按用嘞，
这样
了，每张得。
Let it be, basically. OK， 英文可以这么说，就只能这样了。All right, let's review some of the vocabulary that you might use in the future, like it's raining, 下雨了。
落雨嘞。
落雨嘞。And then to grab your clothes in, 收衣服。
數衫。
數衫。And to wash it again, 再洗一次。
高四100。
高四100。Okay, to wash again, one more time actually. Okay, let's listen to the conversation.
老姨嘞，敷唔擦數samÄ。
高四大就好嘅啊。
好啦，每張得按用嘞。
And the phrase we're teaching you repeatedly this whole month is 來不及。
敷唔擦。
敷唔擦, which means again, not gonna make it, not enough time. And there you have it. It's our practical Hakka here on ICRT.
是母大家。
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.